Have you ever felt like your classroom is missing that spark? Do your lessons sometimes feel dull and unexciting? What if there was a way to bring learning to life effortlessly? Well, you're in the right place. In this video series, we're going to explore the 5E method of instruction and planning, a powerful, practical way to design lessons that are not only effective, but also truly engaging for your students. In this first part, let's uncover what the 5E method is all about and how it can transform your classroom. Ready? Let's jump in. Did you know, according to the Gallup poll, only 29% of students globally are engaged in their learning? That's less than 1/3. Imagine if we could change that with just 5 simple steps. It is estimated that active learning increases student performance by up to 55%. One of the ways to do that is by incorporating inquiry-based approaches like the 5E model, which is grounded in active learning. The 5E instructional model is rooted in something called a learning cycle. It is a set order of events that facilitates learning. Back in 1962, educators J. Myron Atkin and Robert Kay studied how people learn best and determined the key elements of an effective learning cycle. Their work laid the foundation for what we now call the 5E model, which focuses on allowing students to understand a concept over time through a series of established steps or phases. These phases include engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. The 5E model was initially developed by the Biological Sciences Curriculum Study to teach STEM subjects. But now it is used in lesson design across subjects to promote inquiry-based, student-centered learning. Let's briefly look at these stages. First, engage, spark curiosity, and tap into what students already know. Second, explore. Let students investigate and discover through hands-on learning. Third, explain. Make sense of the concept together through discussion and clarification. Fourth, elaborate. Deepen understanding by applying knowledge in new ways. Fifth, evaluate. Reflect and assess learning and progress. The 5E model is rooted in the constructivist theory of learning, a belief that students build their understanding through experiences, interactions, and reflection. Instead of just receiving information, they actively make sense of it, linking new ideas to what they already know. It's like a roadmap that guides students through the learning process, making it more meaningful and enjoyable. As students engage with each phase, they move beyond memorizing facts. They begin to participate actively, ask questions, explore ideas, and take ownership of their learning. In short, they shift from being passive receivers to active learners. To unlock the full power of the 5E model, it's important to use it across a learning sequence of 2 to 3 weeks, not just in a single lesson. Trying to squeeze all 5 phases into one class can weaken their impact and limit deep learning. Also, research shows it works best when the phases are followed in order, so avoid skipping or reshuffling them. With that, you've now unlocked the basics of the 5E instructional model.